Matt Rosa, Chairman 750, and one of the top leaders here within IM Mastery Academy. And we couldn't be more excited for you to be watching this video. So you're here to learn about two of the largest financial markets in the world, and as to why it is that over 200,000 individuals have made the conscious and cognitive decision to partner here with the company. You see, they understand that accessibility towards specific information can potentially change your situation. So during this video, you're going to learn about the largest financial markets in the world. You're going to learn about an educational platform that is cutting the learning curve for the average person. You're going to learn about a 4-step process that we've created here to help you streamline becoming a self-sufficient trader. And we're going to teach you how to get this thing for free. You see, let's talk about Forex and the cryptocurrency markets. Forex is an abbreviation for the foreign exchange markets. Guys, this is the largest financial market in the world. Roughly $5.3 trillion a day are traded in the foreign exchange markets, guys. That makes it about 10 times the size of the New York Stock Exchange, and the way it works is actually relatively simple. It's the trading of one currency for another. Maybe the Japanese yen for the US dollar, right? In the world, we have countries, and these countries have currencies, and the currencies have a value that's dictated by the economical situation. So things along the lines of commodity prices like oil and gas, things like special events like the Olympics or the elections, and unfortunately things like terrorist attacks and wars are going to fluctuate the values of these currencies. And let's talk about crypto. You see, cryptocurrency, we've all heard of the Bitcoin, we've all heard of the Ethereum, but there's a reason as to why it is that only a small percentage owns the vast majority of the cryptocurrency in the world. You see, cryptocurrency is a non-fiat based currency, guys. That means there's no actual physical dollar, right? Everything is ran on the cloud, and it's the way business is being conducted in the future. There's a reason as to why it is that people are able to invest in real estate. There's a reason as to why it is that they're able to pay their bills and even do groceries online utilizing the cryptocurrency markets. Now, I want you guys to think about IM Mastery Academy like an extremely prestigious university, the Yale of trading or the Harvard of Forex, right? We don't touch your money. We don't take investments, right? We're an educational platform that's going to teach you how to do that on your own. And what we've done here is we've created a 4-step process, and I'm going to jump right into that. Step number 1, you see, if you were to study anything, you would have prerequisite courses in university prior to doing so you're not lost. We don't expect anything different here. You see, step number 1 is to go through the academy. It's a series of pre-recorded videos that are going to teach you the terminology and the history of trading. Now, step number 2, in my opinion, is the heartbeat of IM Mastery Academy, right? It's what's called Go Live. I've never been the type of individual that you can give a book to and say, read this, or a video to and say, watch this, and me truly comprehend what it is that I just learned. No, I've always needed that hands-on guidance. I've always needed someone to ask questions to. And what we've done here is we've built that for you. We've partnered over the course of the past 4 years with over 100 different educators that are educating live every single day in over 7 different languages to accommodate every time zone and to accommodate every culture that we possibly can. You work in the daytime, we have sessions at night. You work in the night, we have sessions during the day. Guys, these educators are getting on and analyzing the markets with us. They're explaining what it is that they see. They're explaining what trades to get in on, and they're explaining how to do this without them being right next to you as well. And the most amazing thing is it's in a classroom setting online. So you ask the questions and you get the answers effectively right then and there when it is that you need it. Now, step number 3, right? Step number 3 is we've gone ahead and we've created a series of artificial intelligence that are programmed with algorithms that are tasked to analyze the markets for us. These things are literally operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week for the foreign exchange markets, and 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the cryptocurrency markets, guys. And essentially what it's doing is telling us when to get into trades, when to get out of trades, what direction these trades are going to be going in, and exactly how much we should be risking. So we're able to calculate how much we could potentially make and how much we could potentially lose before even entering a trade, right? And then step number 4, you're going to copy, paste, and profit. We have 3 applications right now that can be found in Google Store or the App Store. And one focuses on gold, the other one focuses on foreign exchange, and the other one focuses on cryptocurrency markets. And we have a group of traders that are analyzing the markets day in and day out, sending us potential trade ideas based off of their research. Now, we're not going to take it blindly, because remember, step number one is that we learn the terminology and the history of trading. Step number two is that we began to see it implemented and get the hands-on guidance and mentorship that we need in order to succeed. Step number three is that you begin to practice it on your own. And step number four, you're gonna take these trades and confirm what it is that these educators have seen, right? Guys, 4-step process, 4 steps to success, right? And just like any other prestigious university, there's a tuition, right? So in order to get started here, it's $234 initial investment, $175 a month. But as promised, you guys are gonna learn how to get this thing for free. You see, in order to receive a tuition-free scholarship here within I Am Mastery Academy, you introduce the concept to 2 people. 2 people that you like, 2 people that you trust, 2 people that you respect, 2 people that could use more time, 2 people that could use more money. They get started here, they become your accountability partner. That monthly subscription is now waived. That means that everything we make on top of that is profits, and I think that we can all agree that profits and progress definitely make sense. You see, our intention is very simple here. Our intention is to educate, impact, and empower over 1 million people all around the world. So we encourage you to get with the person that invited you onto this call and get your questions answered, because guys, truth be told, it's accessibility towards specific information that could potentially change your situation. So on behalf of I Am Mastery Academy, we welcome you to the family, and we welcome you to the financial revolution.